Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you for a renovated room here at Harrah's Casino Hotel in Laughlin. Even the hallway got a remodel. Now let's take a look inside. The walls have been updated. We will go to the bathroom first. The sink used to be a granite kind of countertop, now it's a solid white top. The mirror now has a light around it. The towels are now over the toilet. Same kind of setup, but this time there's a stand-up shower with sliding doors. Here's a close look at the shower. Just turn the handle counterclockwise to turn on the water. And you have a spare toilet paper, of course your tissue and towels. The same hand soap, shampoo, lotion, shower gel. There's a little stain on the counter already. Leaving the bathroom. To the left is the new closet set up. Got the hair dryer, hangers, iron board. In the main area, you do have new furniture for the bed, your desk, even the drawers, different bed frame. Same kind of thermostat. You do get a slight view of the Colorado River. The window is still dirty. New lamps. The carpet is also new. Take a look at the drawer. Bottom of the bed frame. Overall, it's a nice upgrade. Makes this old hotel feel a little bit modernized. And you have your mini fridge. More drawer space if needed. You have a safe in this bottom drawer. That's a new spot for the safe. And here's a closer look at the express checkout details. Also the dine-in and the Wi-Fi information. And that pretty much concludes the tour. Please do not forget to subscribe and like, and let us know how you like the renovated room. Is it a yay or nay? Until next time.